Pakistan, because tension seems to be flaring even more in Pakistan's Punjab province as the police carried out large-scale operation against Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan and supporters in Muridke. What has now been said that this crackdown that has been marked by heavy shelling, gunfire and street clashes that have left multiple people dead and hundreds of them injured, as this violence that has been reported with Pakistani army and rangers opening fire at Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan supporters. Sahil, the situation seems to be going completely out of control.
And yes, these clashes erupted early morning today when these Tehreek-e-Labbaik supporters were gathering in Muridke. They basically were in fact planning to hold a pre-Palestine rally there and in fact proceed towards the Islamabad, because Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan previously had said that they will go to Islamabad, hold a protest outside the US embassy. But now today early in the morning, Pakistani army and rangers used indiscriminate force, firing directly on protesters. Tear smoke shells were used to disperse the protesters, and now what we are picking up from the open sources is that multiple people here have been in fact killed in these clashes, and there are around hundreds of protesters who have in fact received blood injuries and no in fact space for evacuating them to nearby hospitals. So, and the clashes are in fact still going on. Situation is extremely intense there. Pakistan army and rangers are being accused by the Tehreek Pakistan Labbaik supporters and protesters of using direct fire on them. That's why in fact the situation has come to this point. We already know that Pakistan has in fact imposed restrictions on mobile internet a few days back in Islamabad and elsewhere. Internet has been suspended only to ensure that these Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan protesters and supporters do not march to Islamabad. But then we have seen these protesters and these in fact supporters of Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan had in fact started their journey, and late evening yesterday they had reached Muridke in Punjab, and today they were supposed to hold a rally there and then proceed towards Islamabad. But the state that was
so it's the Pakistani army crackdown on the Pakistani Awam that we are looking at. Heavy shelling, gunfire, street clashes, multiple people who have been reported dead, hundreds of them injured. The pictures that have been coming in on the Pakistani army opening fire at the Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistani supporters. Hundreds of them seems to be reported dead or injured, whereafter when it comes to the army opened indiscriminate firing on the TLP supporters this morning. Thank you very much for the moment, Sahil Suhail, for joining us live. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News. Times Now Live coming up on the other side.